In this video, I'll show you how to fix the no sound driver issue on Roblox quickly and easily. First, open the Roblox website or app. Use the search bar and type sounds, then go into the sound settings. Once you're there, head over to the advanced section and select all sound devices. You'll now see both your output and input devices. Make sure your default output device is selected. After that, check the volume and ensure it's set to 100%. Now reopen Roblox and test if the sound is working. If the issue is still not fixed, the next step is to check for system updates. Search for Check for Updates on your computer, run the update check, and install any available updates. Once done, restart your PC and test Roblox again. If you're still having problems, open Device Manager. Look for audio inputs and outputs, then right-click each device, go to Properties, open the Driver tab, and click Update Driver. Next, scroll down to Sound, Video, and Game Controllers and repeat the same process. Update each driver listed there. Once everything is updated, restart your computer one more time and check Roblox. That's it! Your sound should now be working. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching!